Okay, baka din nakita ang percentage. Paano isolve itong problem? Again, the problem is, what is 8% of 250? Again, in mathematics, common na ginagamit of is multiplication. Then we have 250, then 8%. So, yan ito itong problema, 8%. Kailangan natin i-convert into decimal number. So, paano? 8%, 8, i-divide talahiyahin 100 para makuha iya decimal number, decimal value. Okay, equals. So, kapag ka nagdi-divide kahin 100, itsa ading nga numerator, isusurat talahin hiya. Then, it decimal point yan katapusan. Since may natin didudong nga 0, we're going to move the decimal point going to the left 2 units. So, 1, 2. Ya added 0, then bago natin na decimal point, ya add na. So, therefore, 8% is equivalent to, yade, 0 point, madadi 0, 0.8. Yan na, i-multiply ta para makuha ang 8% in 250. Paano mag-multiply? Let's have this. 250 times 0.08. Perform the multiplication. 8 times 0, 0. 8 times 5, 40. Carry 4. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 4 is 20. Then we have 0. 0 times 0, 0. 0 times 5, 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Another, we have 0. 0 times 0, 0. 0 times 5, 0. And 0 times 2 is 0. Then add. Bring down 0. Bring down 0. Another, we have 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. So bring down 0. Isipan natin it number, it decimal point. Before the decimal point. 1, 2. Asit atin bubutang gidi. 1, 2 is if laanay 1, 2 decimal point. So it's 0, 20.00, pwede ni siya di tanggalan na lahiya, maging 20 na lang. So, 20. Therefore, ang pakiana kanina, what is 8% of 250? The result is 20. So, this is now the final answer. Gets?